Hello guys, how are you? Yes, I hope you will be fine. This is Zaki Khan and I am your mathematics teacher. Today I have teach ISC mathematics, that is the chapter name is matrices. Okay, this is the important question here. Matrix A is equal to minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. Firstly, we have teach this is the row, this is the first row, this is the first row, second row, third row, as well as this is the first column, second column and third column. Okay, now firstly we have solved this question. We can write the matrices A plus B. Okay, this is the sign of the transpose of a matrices. Okay, now we have to solve A plus B. Okay, now A plus B is equal to, that is the matrix A is minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. Okay, this is the matrix A. Now the matrix B is minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 0, 1. Okay, this is the matrix B. Okay, we have to solve this question by matrix method. Okay, firstly we have solved this minus 1 and minus 4, that is minus 5. 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3, and the 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Okay, here is there any doubt regarding this? Then ask me. Okay, now the 5 plus 1, that is 6, 7 plus 2, that is 9, 9 plus 0, 9. Okay, now minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 1 plus 3, that is 4, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, now the matrix A plus B are equal to this, and the transpose of matrix is we have to decide this matrix to change transpose to a matrix. What is the meaning of transpose? This is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. Rows are changed into column, that is called a transpose of a matrices. Okay, now we have to change this, the transpose of this. Now we can write this minus 5, 3, minus 2. Now we have to change this first row into column. Okay, now 6, 9, 9 and minus 1, 4, 2. This is the A plus B to the transpose of a matrices. Okay, now the transpose of A and the transpose of B, then we have to verify this now. Okay, note down now the next part is that is this is the this part is A plus B transpose is equal to this. Okay, now the transpose of A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay, the transpose of A is this, and the transpose of B are equal to, we have to change the rows into column, that is minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Okay, you can see in a whiteboard, that is this is the matrix the transpose of matrix A, and this one is the matrix of transpose of matrix b dash. Okay, first of all we have to solve this question, then adding both the matrices to each other. Okay, now we have to add this matrix a dash plus b dash r is equal to minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5, 5 plus 1 6, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2, 9 plus 0, that is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we can say that this A plus B to the transpose of a matrix R is equal to A dash plus B dash. Okay, then verify that. That's all. Note down. Now we can write next question. We can write next question. The next question is, if the matrix if the matrix 6 minus x square 2x minus 15, 2x minus 15, 10 is symmetric, is symmetric. Is symmetric, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Okay. Now, firstly, we have to solve this question. This matrix are let in A form. That is, matrix A is equal to 6 minus x square, 2x minus 15 and 10. Then the next step is this matrix are changed into transpose of a matrix. We know that what is the transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix is a rows change into column, and in other words, columns are changed into rows. Okay. Now we have to solve this question. All of you got it? Okay. Firstly, we can write this question. A is equal to A dash, that is matrix A are equal to the transpose of matrix A, that is A is equal to 6, 2x minus 15 minus x square 10 and A dash is equal to 6, 2x minus 15 minus x square 10. Okay, A is equal to A dash. You can write this 6, 2x minus 15 according to this equation, minus x square upon 10 are is equal to, this is the transpose, this is not a transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix is 6x square, and this one is 2x minus 15 upon 10. This is the transpose of a matrix, because this is the matrix A na, 6 minus x square, 2x minus 15 and 10, and this is the transpose of a matrix, that is rows change into column. Okay, now we have to write this 6x square, 2x minus 15 and 10. Okay, now we can write this minus x square is equal to 2x minus 15. Okay, now this is the x square plus 2x minus 15 are is equal to 0. Now the factor is the 15 one is 15, that is the LCM is 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay, the 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that is 3, and the 5, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2, and they multiply this is the 15. Okay, we can write this 2x place is 2x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 are equal to 0. We can change this 2x are is equal to 5x minus 3x. This 5x minus 3x are is equal to 2x. Okay. Now x square, the the common one is x, that is x plus 5, and the common one is minus 3, that is also x plus 5, that is 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now this x minus 3 and the x plus 5 are equal to 0. Now the value of x is 3 and minus 5. Then find the value of x. Here is the value of x is 3 comma minus 5. Understand? Okay, note down. Is there any problem regarding this? Then ask me. Uh, we have to write next question. We have to write next question. The next question is matrix M is equal to 1 2 2 3 and m square minus km minus I2 is equal to 0. Okay, all of you noted? Okay, I have rub this. Is there any problem? No problem. Okay. Now firstly we have solved this question. We have to write this equation, that is m square minus km minus I2 is equal to 0. What is I2? I2 is a identity matrix 2 by 2. That is row are also 2 and the column are also 2. That is the order is identity matrix is 2 by 2. That is a square matrix. Okay. Now firstly we have solved the value of m square is the 1 2 2 3, and again we have to write this 1 2 2 3. Okay, firstly we have solved this rows into this column and this rows into this column, and the formula is first row first column and the first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. This is the formula is this. Okay, now the first row and first column, that is 1 into 1 m square is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1, plus first row first column, that is 2 plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, now the first row is second column, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, plus 3 twos are 6, that is this one is this. Okay, now the second row first column, that is the second row, this is the first column, 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Okay, the second row second column, 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 3 into 9, 3 into 3, that is 9. Understand? The value of 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 4 13. Okay, m square is equal to 1 plus 4, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 9. Okay, 5 8 8 13. Okay, we have to write this part in this line. Okay, the value of m square is 5883 sorry. The next part is minus km minus I2 is equal to 0. That is m square is, according to the question, 58813 minus k times 1223 minus identity matrix 1001 is equal to 0000. Okay. Now the 5 minus 1, that is 4, 8 plus 0, 8 minus 0, that is 8, 8 minus 0, that is 8, 13 minus 1, that is 12, minus k minus 2k, sorry, plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k is equal to 0. Now the value of k is 4 minus k is equal to 0. Then the value of k is plus 4. We have to write this 8 is equal to 8 minus 2k, that is 8 is equal to 2k. Okay, now the value of k is 2 1 2, 2 4 8. The value of k is 4. Okay, understand? Note down.